Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send files using your Snapchat app. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's jump in. So first things first, open up your Play or App Store, search for Snapchat and make sure it is updated to the latest version. If it says open, it is updated to the latest version. And now what we want to do now is open up Snapchat. Now click into your chats and then find the person who you want to send files to. So for this case, I want to send it to Prince Charming. And then to send files, click on this icon here, just like that, and then send the icon, click the icon to send it, and then click on the send button. And now this file is sending to Prince Charming. And to delete a file from Snapchat is just simply hold down that file and then look for delete, click on delete, and that will delete it. And then click on OK, click on delete chat, and there you go, that file is now deleted. So yeah, thanks for watching this video till the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.